Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again, and this is Mukesh Kumar from Youngster Dev. In the previous video I have discussed about strings in Swift. Now the topic is arrays in Swift. So without delaying anything, let's get started. So first of all, how do we define array in Swift? So as we know, we have two keywords where and let. Where is for variables and let is for constants. So we are declaring air colon within the square brackets string type equals to square brackets and some values like John, Steve's, Mary, etc. Right? So this is the way in Swift to define an array with the values. And for let's say integer type, we will define int array colon int equals to not double quotes, the value will be like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, like so. So this is an array of type integer. In the similar way we can define for double, float, etc. Right? Now let's see how do we define empty array. So for that we are using where my air colon whatever the type you want and only the square brackets without any values, right? Or where my array equals to of type string and parenthesis. This way we can also define empty array, right? Next, array properties. Sorry, first is to check empty case. My air dot is empty. It will return true or false according to its value. Means it returns a bool value. Let's see the result. Yeah, so my array is empty, that's why it is returning true value, right? And the next we have count, like array dot count, how many values it is containing. 3. So in this array we are having 3 values, 1 2 3. Third is we have contains, and we will match the value, like array contains John name or not. Like I will place it the value which we want to check. Let's run. Yes, true. Let's say if I write another name Otis, let's see what it will return. False. Yes. Now how we can modify the values of an array. Modifications in array, like I want to append the values. Appending means the existing value will remain same, and at the last position of the array we will append the values, add the values after existing values, right? Like array dot append, we have two methods of append. One is new element and the second is the content of, means the sequence, right? Like I can append one value in first method and more than one value, means the sequence I can add with second method, new element, and the new element will be Jerry, right? So let's print the values. Yeah, now the values are John, Steve, Mary and Jerry. At the end is value is appended, right? So this is our append for single element only, and second will be append content of. Here you can add multiple values like array dot append content of, and the sequence will be like Harry, Stephens, Hudson. Like I can define let another array equals to these values. I'll cut it and paste it. I can add that another array, and let's run it now. Yeah, this way I can add multiple values. Now the array is with these values: John, Steve, Mary, Jerry, Harry. Sounds good. Sounds like a rhythm. Mary, Jerry, Harry, Stephens, and Hudson. Right. Cool. Now move to insertion. Insertion in array. How can I insert values into an array? Like I want to insert a value at first position, or in the middle of the position, or at the last position. So we have insert functions. So let's see, like air dot insert. Yeah, here we have new element, and with the add position means at which index value you want to add that particular value. So the value is like Jake, and at position 0. So all the existing values will be shifted forward, and at index 0 the Jack will be inserted. Let's run and see the values. Let me print array and just print that array. Run it. Yeah. See, my first value was John, Steve, then Steve's, then Mary, Jerry, Harry, Stephens, and Hudson. But I have inserted the value at index 0, Jack. So here is the result, you can see, right? And now at between Mary and Jerry, I want to insert more values. So what will be the position? 0, 1, 2, 3, fourth position. So array dot insert, and the name is Tom here, and 4. Now again print the value. I'm cutting that and paste it here. Now print. Yeah, so between Mary and Jerry the Tom is here, right? And if you want to add multiple values, like you need to add that array, you need to create new array which you want to add with those multiple values, like array dot insert with content of, and collection will be your array, that is another array, and the position will be like randomly I'm selecting 8. Let's see the result. Yeah, so 8th position is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is the last. So 8th position is Hudson. Hudson will be moved forward, and from here the new array will be added, and that values will be Harry, Stephens, Hudson, Harry, Stephens, Hudson, then Hudson again. Okay, now we have remove, and for remove we have array dot remove, remove all, and remove at. Remove at will be for the particular value at a particular index. Like I want to delete, let's say, first value, so put 0 and print the value of an array to see the result. See, in this array Jack is removed, right? And if you want to remove all, so you can also check. Before removing all, let's try remove first and remove last. Remove first and print the value. So John will be removed. Yes. And now remove last. So there are two Hudson, and at last there will be one after running this remove last method. Let's run. Yes, only single Hudson is here now. Now we can check remove all now. The array will be empty. Yes. After remove we have replacement. Like how can we replace the values in an array? Replacing values in array. So first of all I need to comment this so that all values should not be removed. For replacing you just need to specify the index, like first is Steve's, and I will put 0 index value and the name will be Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs. So Steve's will be replaced by Steve Jobs. Let's print it. Yeah, run it. Yes, so as you can see, Steve is replaced by Steve Jobs, right? Cool. And we also have more functions for removing the items but not in the existing array. Like we have drop first, drop last, drop first multiple items, and drop last multiple items, right? Like array dot drop first. So Steve's Jobs should be removed, but it will not be removed from the array. Yes. What does it mean? These drop functions will not affect your existing array. You need to declare a new one, like let a equals to this statement, and now print a. So after dropping first value, all the values will be initialized to a array. As you can see after running this, see, this is a array in which Steve Jobs is dropped from first position, right? And now I want to check that Hudson should be removed and Stephens will be the last. So just declare another array, let b equals to add dot drop last and print b array, like so. B array is this and Hudson from last is dropped, right? This way it works. And now for multiple values, let's see equals to add drop first with k, means first two elements, first two values should be removed. Let's see the result after printing this. Yes, Steve Jobs, as you can see, Steve Jobs and Mary is dropped. C array is coming from Tom, right? And now Harry will be the last after dropping these two values, Stephens and Hudson. Just write it. Let d equals to air dot drop last with k, means two values, and print it array d. Let's run it. So Harry is the last one, as Stephens and Hudson is dropped from the last. So this is all about array in Swift. There are more functions, but these are the frequent one which will be used so frequently. So I hope you enjoyed this video and learned about array in Swift. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like button, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends who want to learn iOS programming language. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. I will come up with another topic in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Shapa hai.
Wherever I go, wherever I see, I'll remember you. If you remember